Hello, welcome back to Esther's Menswear here in Havant. We thought we'd make a short video in relation to getting the most out of your new suit. So whether you're somebody that owns quite a few suits and you just want some more ideas of how to get the most out of it, or quite often what we get in the shop is people that don't wear suits very often, have maybe got an occasion coming up. They want to buy a new suit, and it's not that they're not going to buy it, but they're, oh, can I justify it? Am I going to wear it once and it's just going to sit in the wardrobe? Now, of course, if you get other occasions come up, it's always great to have a nice suit in the wardrobe. But actually, what if you think about other ways that you can wear it? And we're going to demonstrate that today. So first of all, we're going to show, of course, how I'm wearing a suit now. So it's more as a formal piece. And there's a couple of different ways. So let's just say you did have, you're going to a wedding or somewhere quite formal and you wear this outfit here. Nice tie, three-piece suit, all of that sort of stuff. And of course you can change it up a little bit, drop the jacket, etc. But let's say you're going to go to another event and it's a similar group of friends and you don't want to look like you're wearing exactly the same suit again. We could change up a couple of different items and still get away with it because it's just a nice blue suit. So for instance, we could change the waistcoat or we could change the tie. So I'm just going to demonstrate that now. I'm just going to change the waistcoat. So at the moment, nice three-piece matching, and then I'm going to change that. Okay, so as you can see, all I've actually done is change the waistcoat, but hopefully you'll agree it's a completely different looking outfit. It's still just a blue suit, of course, but now it looks completely different. I'm just going to switch the tie as well because we could change that something a bit more florally. If we were going somewhere a little bit more fun rather than formal, we might want to floral that up a little bit. So we're just going to do that now. Okay, so I've now changed the tie. Again, we could have kept the original waistcoat and just changed the tie. This is just to show you that by introducing a new tie, so this is a Liberty Flora tie, which is available on our website. They're £40 a set. Rather than buying a whole new suit, I've just introduced a new accessory and I've got another outfit. Same with the waistcoat. This waistcoat is a Caridi waistcoat. It's available on our website for £65. I've already got my suit in my wardrobe. I just go out, I buy a nice new waistcoat and I've got a different outfit. Incidentally, this suit is actually available for £225 for a three-piece on our website as well for the blue hardcore scopes. So yeah, hopefully you'll agree. That's 3 outfits already. And there's no limit to that. So as long as the tie suits, as long as it matches okay, as long as the waistcoat goes, a nice grey check waistcoat under this would look nice as well. So those are a few formal options. The other thing is, of course, you don't have to wear it as a three-piece. You can just wear it as a two-piece. So you could lose the waistcoat and just go a little bit less formal. You could take the tie off and relax it out a little bit. What we're going to do now though, and obviously there's a lot more options, this is just to give you an idea, it's for you to then experiment and try with other things. What we're going to do now is we're going to go slightly more casual. So let's say that we were going somewhere, I don't know, maybe a wedding where you were only an evening guest in the summer, or some sort of semi-formal barbecue or something like that, and you're thinking, nice pair of chinos and a sports jacket. Actually, I don't need to go out and buy an outfit. If I've got a nice pair of chinos, I've got a suit that I can utilise. So I'm just going to show you now how we can utilise the same suit for that. Okay, so as you can see, well, hopefully you'll agree, very smart, a lot less formal, but I'm still using the same suit. It's worth mentioning that I've picked it's nice, it's a nice blue suit, but it's a blue suit, it's a plain blue suit. If you go for something that's a bit more patterned, absolutely you can still do the same things, but a plain blue suit isn't so noticeable, so people won't recognise that you're wearing necessarily the same suit again and again. It's just a nice blank canvas, as you like, to play with. So what we've paired this with now though is a nice pair stone coloured chinos. It could be anything around that beige, anything like that. And then we've gone with the tan look, so tan belt and tan shoes. And then we've got a nice white crisp shirt on and our suit jacket. So if we were going somewhere, as I mentioned already, a bit more of a kind of formal barbecue or something like that, maybe out for dinner somewhere nice with the other half, maybe meeting the in-laws for the first time, something like that. It's very smart, but it says that I've made an effort with my outfit. And again, I'm still using the same suit, so which is great. So what I'm going to show you now is if you were a similar sort of outfit, but actually thought, I don't really want to wear a jacket, but I still want a lift. I don't just want a pair of chinos and a shirt. Why not use the waistcoat and leave the jacket at home? So I'm just going to show you that now. Okay, so here we are, similar outfit, still gone with the blue, and again this is our same suit, so we've just lost the jacket, we've gone with the waistcoat. Bit more, if it was in the summer, we were a bit worried about it being a bit hot. The waistcoat definitely lifts the outfit up a little bit, which is great. I'm just wearing a white cotton shirt. This is a Herbie Frog one available on our website, and I don't know if you can see those in this shot, but I'm wearing the Genoa tan Azure shoes, also available on our website. But again, this list is not exhaustive. This is to give you some ideas and some inspiration. Play with what's in your wardrobe. What have I got that will go with that suit? So what most of us have got in our wardrobe is a pair of jeans. Maybe a pair of jeans and a different shirt. So a lot of us might buy different pattern shirts, which we sell some lovely ones here, but you might have picked one up on the high street years ago and it's sitting in your wardrobe. Actually, will that pair quite nicely with a pair of jeans and your jacket? So I'm just going to show you that now and show you what I mean. Okay then, so here we are, a pair of jeans, smart jeans, but just a pair of jeans and a shirt that you've got in the wardrobe. It can be a plain shirt with a bit of colour, it can be a pattern shirt, a check shirt, as long as it goes. Try it on, have a look, see what you think. Actually, we've changed the outfit completely and I'm wearing the jacket from my suit. So how many outfits have we achieved there? 5 or 6, maybe more? And that's not exhaustive, it's play with different things. Why leave that suit sitting in your wardrobe waiting just for that special occasion? Because those occasions aren't always there, they might not come along, and actually you've spent a lot of money on that suit. You want to keep it full best, which I completely get, but it sits in your wardrobe and then 3 years later it doesn't fit you anymore, or you just don't like it anymore. Actually, let's try and get some use out of it. Let's try and use it for other things. So we hope you found that useful and it's given you a bit of inspiration. Feel free to send us your own pictures if you do have a suit that you've got from us, and then different ways of wearing it, because we'd be interested. And what we'll do is, this was obviously demonstrating how to get the most out of your blue suit. We'll do it with some other suits soon and show you some more inspirational ideas. Thank you very much.